Hi friend, I am Harish Kamble. In this video, I am going to explain about structure and reproduction in Usnea. Usnea is a one type of lichen, fruticose lichen. Lichens are three types: crustose lichen, foliose lichen, and fruticose lichens. Lichens thallus are made from fungal partners and algal partners. Thallus means lichen's body. Lichen's body is called as thallus. These lichens are made from two partners, fungi partners and algae partners, and in which approximately 90% of thallus made from fungi partners, while 10% of the thallus is made from algal partner. So the lichen's body is maximally made from fungi partners. In this first diagrams, we observe here the rock, and on the rock there are crustose lichen. Crustose lichen generally grow on the rock, tree bark, and some saprophytic surfaces. Generally, when we observe on the rock, they are flat, dorsoventrally flat, and submerged in the rock. They have ability to grow on the rock and absorb nutrition from the rock. These lichens show a apothecia, structure reproductive unit. This is homomeous, means algal partners and fungi partners cannot separated in the layers, but they are uniformly distributed in the gelatinous matrix. So crustose lichens is very difficult to separate from the rock. The another two types, foliose lichen and fruticose lichen, show various layers, internals. First one is a cortex, upper cortex, lower cortex, algal zone, etc. Lichen reproduce two types, vegetative and sexual reproduction. Vegetative, this part show a vegetative reproductions and this part show a sexual reproductions. In this you observe here ascospores develop in apothecia. So apothecia, this structure is called as apothecia, and in this structure there is a formation of ascospores. This is the fungal partners, and below these fungal partners algal zones are there. In the algal zones, algal cells are present in the loosely arranged fungal hypha. This is the body of lichens, and this thread-like structure are called as fungal hypha. And at the lower cortex, there are formation of rhizines. Rhizines help to attach to rocks, tree bark. We can say they are attached to a substratum. They are held. So this is the upper cortex, lower cortex, algal zone, and there is a asexual reproductive, or we can say that vegetative reproductive organ formed soredia. This is the thallus. Thallus means lichen's body. Reproduction in lichens. Lichens reproduction takes place by two ways: vegetative, or it is called as asexual, and another one is a sexual reproductions. And in the vegetative reproduction, there is no union of sexual gametes. So these vegetative reproductions are four types: fragmentation, soredia formation, isidia formation, and asexual spores oidia formations. This is the four way by which the lichens reproduce asexually, while there are another type, sexual reproduction, in which there is a formation of ascolichens. In the ascolichens, example Usnea, there is a formation of apothecia after reproduction, and there are sex organs are ascogonium and spermatogonium. These sex organs are formed in the sexual reproduction and which is absent in the asexual reproduction. First one is fragmentation, vegetative reproduction or asexual reproduction. First one is fragmentation. Fragmentation means when the part of lichens break down from the parent lichens, and when these break or cut down part grow into new plant are called as fragmentations. This type of reproduction is called as fragmentation. In this type, when the lichen become old, that time the body is divided into many parts, and each parts can grow into a new part. This is called as fragmentations. Then another type of vegetative reproduction is soredia. Soredia formation means in the algal zone there are unicellular algals found. This is the algal zone. Upper cortex, this is the upper cortex and algal zone, and this is the open area. Non This is the open area which is not covered by upper cortex. In this open area, some algal cells and some fungal hypha attached to the some algal cells and form a structure called as soredia. These soredia, when with the wind or any activity, they separated from the thallus, and when they grow in a particular substratums where they generate and form a new lichen. So soredia formation takes place on the thallus. We can observe there on the thallus there are powdery substances formed because soredia is very small powder like structure which is found on the upper surface of the thallus. This is called as soredia formation, and these are the algal cells. When we take a section of thallus, we can observe such a structure, algal cells, and these are hypha. Hypha means thread-like structure which is produced by fungal partners. These fungal partners hold these algal cells, and due to that, their formation of soredia. Another part is a ecidium. Ecidium, on the upper surface of the thallus, some outgrowth, papillate outgrowth is formed. Their main function of the ecidium is increase the photosynthetic activity. This part come out from the lichen thallus to absorb more sunlight to photosynthetic activity. But sometimes this part cut down and uh, when settle on a suitable substrate where they get a moisture, that time this ecidium germinate into new lichens. In this ecidium, the upper cortex and the solen form a papillate structure, cone-like structure rounded. This one, and below this upper cortex, there are algal cells are present. These cells absorb sunlight and prepare food material. The process is called as photosynthesis. When this part is cut down and when germinate on another place, they form a new lichen. Then fourth type is asexual spores called as ooidea. The hyphae of lichens break into pieces called ooidea. They germinate into new fungal hyphae, and each oidium produces lichens in presence of algae. Suppose in the first we see these are some fungal hyphae. Sometimes this hyphae is cut down. This hyphae is cut down into many pieces. So each piece form oodia, and this oodia develop or work as a spores and develop into new lichen. This is called as oodia. This is the fourth type of vegetative reproduction. Then sexual reproduction in lichens, example usnea. We here consider usnea. Usnea is a ascolichens. The fungal partner is from the ascomycetes. So sexual reproductions in usnea. In ascolichens, example usnea, the fungus belonging to the ascomycetes. The sexual reproduction only fungal partners involved. So remember, lichens made from the two partners, algal partners and fungal partners. But in the sexual reproduction, there is only fungal partner take part, not algal partners, because they are various groups. Only the reproduction takes place between only fungal partners. This is very important point. So the fungal partners produces two organisms, Spermatogonium and Ascogonium. Spermatogonium develop a flask-shaped cavity in the upper cortex called as spermatia, while Ascogonium develop from hypha deep in the algal zone called as oogonium. Means fungal partners produce spermatia, Spermatogonium and Ascogonium. Spermatogonium produces spermatia, Ascogonium produces oogonium. When they fertilize, they form ascospores. They fertilize spermatia and oogonium fertilize produces ascospores in the apothecium. These ascospores, when germinate, they produce germ tube, and then germ tube is branched. Germ tube converted into various branch, and when these germ tubes come in contact with the soil or suitable algal partner, they form a new lichen. This is the sexual reproduction in lichens. So see structure, spermatogonium, it is formed on the spermatia. This is a non-motile spores which is formed in the spermatogonium, and these spermatia is lodged on the trichogyne, which is the sticky end there, and in the ascogonium, there is an egg cell is present. These spermatia enter in toward the egg cell in the ascogonium and fertilization is effected. After that, these oogonium developed into many branches and form a structure apothecia, and in the apothecia oogonium form ascospores, and in that ascospores there are formation of spores. Then these spores is germinate and then form a new lichen. See, apothecia, in the apothecia, structure of this apothecia, there is no role of algal partners, but only fungal partners take part. These are toward the upper cortex ascospores, and in that asci there are ascospores are formed, and they are paraphysis are protective layer. So that's where the new these spores when germinate there is formation of new lichens. I hope you understand. Thank you very much.